n-Lorem is a charitable foundation that I initiated in January 2020. So we're a little more than a year old, and we are the first and the only organization that is focused on actually treating, bringing immediate hope and rapid treatment to patients with ultra-rare mutations. And patients with ultra-rare mutations present a host of challenges that are as unique as their mutations. So, and we've made a great deal of progress in our first year, and we're quite excited about what the progress we made, and we recognize that there's a long road ahead. Well, there is no generally accepted definition of ultra rare, but operationally, the n-Lorem, we define it as n of 1 to 30. That is 1 to 30 identified patients with the exact mutation that we're talking about in the world. And that number is actually fairly carefully selected because this is a charitable model. This has never been tried before. I mean, it was inconceivable that one could discover, develop, and provide a medicine for a single patient for free for life until we started doing it. And the reason I felt that it needed to be a charitable model is that I couldn't find a solution that made any sense using a commercial model. And the commercial model has a lot to offer in the fact that we know how to use it, and it's worked and it's sustainable. But it simply isn't possible to even meet the definition of proof of safe and effective or efficacious in a single patient. And if you could, you'd have to charge those families millions and millions of dollars a year. And I don't think that's right. And so it is a charitable model. And what makes it possible, of course, is the technology that I led the development of at Ionis, which is a company I founded now more than 3 decades ago. And that technology is called Antisense technology, and it is extraordinarily more efficient than other drug discovery technologies. It's fully validated and quite versatile. We can't solve all these patients' problems, but as I look at it this way, it is not the patients we can't help, it's the patients I can help that matter. And so this is really quite a new venture, and every step we take is a step into uncharted territory. That's something I've done before in my career, so I don't find it terribly frightening.